Before
Please
starting,
recording.
I have started. Acha, before going to the shoulder joint biomechanics, you know what is biomechanics and kinesiology? Yes, now in the previous semester only we have discussed about the biomechanics and the kinesiology part. Yes or no? The very basic part, basic concepts. Yes or no, students? Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, so along with the biomechanics part, one term you will get to know about, that is called pathomechanics. Pathomechanics you will come to know about. So, what do you think? What is the pathomechanics? What the term pathomechanics means? কেউ বলতে পারবে?
Ma'am, is this the study of the movement and motion of the pathogens?
Pathogens.
Ma'am, it is the study of the movement of the body when the body is in distress or any pathological condition.
Any pathological condition. Pathomechanics. Pathomechanics. What is pathomechanics? হুম এনি আইডিয়া টু এনি মানে কারোর কোনো একটু আইডিয়া আছে প্যাথোমেকানিক্স কি হতে পারে? হোয়াট ইজ প্যাথোমেকানিক্স?
Ma'am, the way the body moves when there is any kind of distress or any kind of problem in the joints or something.
Joint. So biomechanics is the study of the physics and the movements related with the human body, the physics of the human body, the mechanics of the human body. Yes or no? The biomechanics, as simple as that. Pathomechanics, how it get affected, how the movement it will get affected, what will be the disease condition, that is the pathomechanics. Okay, so along with the biomechanics and kinesiology, with every complex, whether you study shoulder complex, whether you study elbow complex, whether you study wrist joint complex, that is the normal function, normal stability, mobility, normal the freedom of movements you will get to know about, right? But the pathomechanics, how it get affected, how the movements get affected, what are the conditions, that is called the pathomechanics. Okay, like for an example, shoulder fracture. Because of this shoulder
Ma'am,
fracture, wait, because of shoulder fracture, what will be the problem and how the range of motion will get affected, that is the pathomechanics, the underlying disease cause. Understood, students? Is it clear to
yes,
all?
ma'am.
Yeah, yes, Ziva.
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am? I'm having network issue.
Okay, so pathomechanics means when you are studying about the normal joint complex. Okay, so if that joint is having any problem or any conditions related, that is the pathomechanics, how it get affected. If there is any fracture, if there is any dislocation, if there is any metabolic condition, if there is any muscle tear, if there is any ligament tear, how it will going to affect the range of motion, whether it will cause pain or not, how it will going to how it affect the means the different joint complex, right? And it affects and it's a reason because of the reduced range of motion, that is the pathomechanics. Okay, for an example, cervical pain, cervical myopathy. Okay, shoulder dislocations, fractures, these are all pathological conditions. Understood? Clear, students? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear, na? Okay. So let's start from the biomechanics and kinesiology. Okay. So students, you will see some of the disease conditions are because of the cause of the pathogens. Okay, because of the microorganisms, pathological conditions. But fracture is not the sort of pathological or any microorganisms, conditions. But yes, if that fracture area is left and it is not been treated, there may be there may be the infection may cause, and further it may cause for septicemia, right? So this is how you have to think about. Okay. So let's start the biomechanics and kinesiology. Hmm. Are you able to see the screen, students?
No, ma'am, it's black.
Wait. Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am, now it's
Okay. So biomechanics and kinesiology 1. Okay. Anyone please read the lines? Raj Mahato.
Yes,
Raj,
ma'am.
yeah, please read the
Yes, ma'am.
lines. Mm.
The study of mechanics in human body is referred to as the biomechanics. It has two branches. Kinetics. It is the area of biomechanics concerned with the forces producing motion or maintaining equilibrium. Kinematics. It is the area of biomechanics that includes description of motion. Few terms related to biomechanics. Force. A push or pull exerted by one material or substance and another. Center of gravity. It is the hypothetical point at which all mass would appear to be concentrated, and is the point at which the forces of gravity would appear to act.
At which
In human body, center of gravity is located at the second sacral vertebra line of gravity. It is the vertical line through the center of gravity when the human body is in the fundamental position. The line of gravity passes through the vertex and point between the two feet. Axis is a line about which movement takes place, and plane is the surface in which the movement takes place.
Okay, so you all know about the kinetics, the center of gravity, force, axis, plane, line of gravity, base of support. You all know this. Now we have already studied in the second semester. That is the basic concepts. Yes or no, students?
yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, see, center of gravity and line of gravity. Yes or no? Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sagittal plane, transverse plane, frontal plane. So it divides the body mass into 50-50 half. Yeah. Sagittal plane will divide the body mass into left and right portion. Yeah. See, the left and right both will have equal body mass. Transverse plane in the up and down, that is the from head and neck, that will be 50% of mass, and lower limb will be of 50%, means equally the planes are dividing, right? Frontal plane in the anterior and the posterior part, that is the 50-50 body mass, right? So human joints must serve many function. It's true, human joint actually is serving many functions. It is giving protection also, it is giving the frame also, it helps the muscles to get its origin and insertion, though it is the bones are basically involved. But if there is no joints, how the human body will move? Yes or no? So human joints serve serve many functions. Okay, like they are more complex than most man-made designs. Yes or no? The human joints, they are more complex than man-made designs. Okay. The joints of the human body, like those used in the construction of buildings, furniture, and machines, connect different segments together and often allow movement between those segments. The design of the joint reflects their demand. You will see shoulder joint is having its own design. Yeah, elbow joint, it is having its own design. Wrist joint, it is having it in of its own design. Hip joint, knee joint, ankle joint. So each and every joints are having their own design which reflects their demand. But if you say, if you think je elbow joint and shoulder, if you cannot compare the elbow joint and shoulder joint as a similar one, because both of them are different and serve different movements. Flexion extension, okay, but the designs are different. Yes or no, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? Designs, the joints are different because it serves for different functions or different movements. So each and every joint design, it reflects their demand in the human body. This lines is been taken from your Cynthia Norkin book, Joint Structure and Function chapter. Okay, from the joint portion. Understood? Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear na? Everything is given in your Cynthia Norkin book. Every details has been there. মানে ওই বইটার থেকে ভালো কোনো বই হতেই পারে না। মানে there are one thing I will tell, I want to say is, in the Cynthia Norkin book now, what actually happens, lots of things are there, but you have to choose what you need to, what you have to study. Though there are many research, public research point of view, they are, they have mentioned there. So you can study them, you can go through, you will have, so much of, interesting facts, you will get in that book. Understood? Next, human joint have consist designs that appear to be determined by number of factors: genetic expressions, cell-to-cell interaction during development, and function. Function not only is the end point of the joint structure, but also appears to play a much important part in the human body, from then in other forms of design. Example, the structural elements of the hip joint develop before birth, but they mature later by time. You all know this, na? This is related with the development of the joint. In the hip joint anatomy, you must have studied this. In small babies, you will find, even not babies actually, it is infants or the newborn baby, you will find, more numbers of bones are there. Yes or no? Yeah. The structural elements, the structural development of the joints are present, before the birth, but they develop when the baby is mature, later in his life. Clear? Understood, students? Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear na? So you will see in elbow joint, you will study that যে ছোট বাচ্চাদেরকে দেখবে কেউ হাতে দিয়ে কিন্তু লিফট করে না। You know why? সবাই কিন্তু এক্সিলারি এরিয়াতে হাত দিয়ে কিন্তু বেবিসদেরকে উপরে লিফট করে, করে কি না? কেউ দেখেছো ছোট বাচ্চাদেরকে কোলে নিতে? কেউ কি দেখেছো মানে রিস্ট জয়েন্ট থেকে পুল করছে? না,
No,
করে
ma'am.
না। No, na, you will never see any small babies or those babies who are just started walking and falling every time. Their parents or their grandparents or anyone will not lift their babies from the wrist joint. They will always lift their baby from the axillary area, because the elbow, when you pull the elbow, na, the elbow joint, these are, in a small babies, their capsules or the joints are not so much strong. The joint will automatically come out. That is known as pulled elbow or nursemaid elbow. Let me show you the picture. বুঝতে পারছো কি বলছি? বোঝা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
people
Yes, ma'am.
understanding? Na, you people are understanding though? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Let me show you the picture. अरे लैपटॉप जे एत स्लो। দাঁড়াও, তোমরা যদিও এটা এলবো জয়েন্টে পড়বে, তাও আমি তোমাদেরকে পিকচারটা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে। Students, is the screen visible? দেখতে পাচ্ছো?
Yes, ma'am.
Or pulled elbow, see. Understood? It is there given in your BD Chaurasia also. BD Chaurasia তেও দেওয়া আছে এই পয়েন্টটা। অনেক কিছু means you will find many of the conditions or pathological or pathomechanics point of view in a small box been mentioned, highlighted in the anatomy book. বিডি চৌরাসিয়াতে খুব ভালো করে দেওয়া আছে এটা, মানে এই স্মল বক্সে কিছু হাইলাইটেড পয়েন্টস। Clear, students? Is it clear to you all? বোঝা গেছে? Okay. Right. Again, the screen is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The slides.
Yes, ma'am.
Slides are visible. Okay. See, I think this picture already you have seen in the last semester also, na? See the different types of joint.
Yes, ma'am.
Each and every designs are different. See, just because the designs are different, they, functionally, they serve different movements also. Yeah. So as per the design of the joint, you may find out the movement also. Yeah, clear? Is it clear to all? So this is
Yes,
called
ma'am.
what? The joint design. So what you able to see in this picture? পিকচারে দেখে কি বুঝতে পারছো? কি কি দেখতে পাচ্ছো পিকচারে? Shoulder joint. Anything else? Only shoulder joint?
ম্যাম শোল্ডার জয়েন্টের উপরে যে কালো কালো হয়ে গেছে লাইক
Wait, Safia, is it you? একটু বলো তো দেখি, তুমি খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং পয়েন্টস হাইলাইট করো, বলো তো কি কি দেখতে পাচ্ছো?
লাইক জয়েন্টের উপরে দ্যাটস ব্ল্যাক স্পট হয়ে গেছে।
কি করে গেছে? র্যাশ।
দ্যাট র্যাশেস।
আচ্ছা, আর কি দেখতে পাচ্ছো?
মনে হচ্ছে সার্জারি হয়েছে, এখানে একটা দাগ রয়েছে লম্বা।
আচ্ছা,
Yes, ma'am. There is a scar mark on the shoulder.
scar marks. Scar is, মানে it could be any mark which is which leaves any insertion line or any cut injury or anything which leaves for long time, that is called scar. Okay, yes. আর কেউ কিছু বলবে? আরে anatomical point of view তে বলো না। This is, yes, shoulder joint is fine. Okay, that is what we are going to discuss right next coming classes and from today itself, shoulder joint. But আর কি কিছু দেখতে পাচ্ছ না anatomical point of view তে? দুটো সেমিস্টার অ্যানাটমি পড়লে?
ম্যাম শোল্ডার জয়েন্ট একটু ফোলা টাইপের লাগে, মানে জয়েন্টটায় কিছু প্রবলেম ছিল সেই থেকে এটা।
আরে বাবা, shoulder region you can see. Okay, you can see the neck area also, you can see the pectoral area also, axillary part also. Yes or no?
Yes,
Huh? Are
Yes, ma'am.
these are very
Yes,
very
ma'am.
simple, very simple and small things. Okay, ভাইভাতে কিন্তু এইভাবে কোয়েশ্চেন করে, কনফিউজ করে দেওয়ার মতন। কনফিউজ হলে চলবে না। শোল্ডার জয়েন্ট সেটা তুমি আমি সবাই যে কেউ দেখে বলতে পারবে যে এটা শোল্ডার এরিয়ার বোঝাচ্ছে, কেন কি শোল্ডার এরিয়াটা বেশিভাবে দেখা যাচ্ছে। কিন্তু তোমাদেরকে কেউ যদি জিজ্ঞাসা করে যে শোল্ডার এরিয়া বাদ দিয়ে বলো তো কি কি আছে, তোমরা তো অ্যানাটমি পড়েছো, কি বলবে তখন? You will say then we can see here the neck region also, we are able to see here the pectoral area also, and obviously just because shoulder joint is there, axillary part will also definitely will be there. Yes or no?
ইয়েস ম্যাম, ইয়েস ম্যাম।
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
এই রকম কোয়েশ্চেন কিন্তু ভাইভাতে হয়। ওকে, সো প্লিজ keep listening to my questions. এইভাবেই কিন্তু ভাইভাতে কোয়েশ্চেন করে। তোমরা দেখবে when you will be giving your viva, suppose you will be asked to pick up any bone. তোমরা ধরো বোনসটাকে নিলে, say suppose humerus, দিয়ে কি করবে? হিউমারাস বোনটাকে নিয়ে কি বলবে? Then your examiner will ask, explain humerus. Then you will show, yes, this is the humerus. Na, you will explain each and everything. The surface of the
bone lag
part, yes, the head area, then the condylar part, the neck part, each and every detail you will explain explain for the humerus. Yes or no? The attachments you will say. শুধু মানে হিউমারাস বোন নিয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকলে কিন্তু you will get anda. Okay, when I was in my bachelor degree in anatomy exam, I was asked to explain about the hemisphere of the brain and the heart. Hemisphere of the brain and the heart. বোনসের মধ্যে কি পেয়েছিলাম আমি? বোনসের মধ্যে মেবি ক্ল্যাভিকল না রেডিও কি যেন আলনা না রেডিয়াস কিছু একটা পেয়েছিলাম, বাট ভিসেরা আমার মনে আছে, বিকজ যেই যেই ভিসেরা ভয় পেতাম সেটাই আমার পড়েছিল প্র্যাকটিক্যাল এক্সামে। Okay, so these are the very important things, how you are expressing your answer to your examiner. You have to think and you have to say. Only that, on the basis of that only you will going to get your marks. ভাইভা কোয়েশ্চেন খুব সিম্পল কোয়েশ্চেন করা হয়, কিন্তু তোমাদের যদি অ্যান্সার জানা থাকে, give your answer confidently, কনফিউজ হলে চলবে না। ওকে, understood students?
Okay, ma'am.
Right, shall we go to the next slide?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am এই পিকচারে যে ব্ল্যাক ব্ল্যাক দেখা যাচ্ছে, তাহলে এটা কিছু না?
ব্লাড কোথায়
like
তুমি
a-
দেখতে পাচ্ছ বলো তো?
ব্ল্যাক কালার ম্যাম, লাইক নরমালি তো এরকম হয় না না?
এই জিনিস
হ্যাঁ।
দেখো, এখানে একটা
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
ডেফিনেটলি স্কার আছে, this is the hairy part. Understood? This is not the blood clot you are talking about. Same hairy part you can see in the chest also. You can see some moles also. Safia, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
আন্ডারস্টুড না? তোমাকে ডিটেইলসে বলতে পড়েছি, তুমি ম্যাগনিফাইং গ্লাস নিয়ে যদি বসো তাহলে তো হয়েছে। সাফিয়া?
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, shall we go to the next slide? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shoulder complex. So shoulder, when we are talking about shoulder joint when means shoulder joint means we used to think about humerus, yeah, the clavicle and the any other bone and the
Ma'am,
scapula.
scapula.
Yeah,
Scapula.
okay. So basically when we are talking about the shoulder joint, these three bones are the link for the joint. Yes or no? Shoulder, that means the scapula, clavicle and the head of the humerus. Yes or no? Humeral head or humerus or head of the humerus. Yes or no? These three bones are the main frame or the link, you may say, for the shoulder joint. But when we are talking about the shoulder joint complex, along with these three bones, we have to explain, we have to say sternoclavicular joint, scapulothoracic joint, acromioclavicular joint and glenohumeral joint. Clear? Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. When we are talking about the complex shoulder joint, simply we can explain, yeah, shoulder joint is a complex joint and it has main three links, three bone links. These are the scapula, clavicle, humerus, and along with that it has a main joint that is called glenohumeral joint, that is the head of the humerus and the glenoid cavity. But yes, when we are talking about the complex structure of the shoulder joint, we have to explain, we have to say about the attachment of the clavicle with the sternum. Yes or no? What is the sternoclavicular joint? See the structure and say sternum and the clavicle. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Scapulothoracic joint, the scapula has been attached with the ribs, thorax. Yeah. Acromioclavicular joint, the acromion part is been attached with the clavicle, and then the glenohumeral joint, that is the glenoid cavity and the humeral head. Simple as it is. So scapulothoracic joint STJ, sternoclavicular joint SC, acromioclavicular joint AC, glenohumeral joint GH. Plus, but please student, do not write the short forms in the examination. If you are writing the short form, must write the full form. Okay, otherwise you will get less mark. Because short forms are STJ. It may be sternothoracic joint maybe. ওকে, কেউ হয়তো এটাও ভাবতে পারে, কোনো এক্সামিনার চলো স্ক্যাপুলোথোরাসিক জয়েন্ট জানে, বাট তুমি এসটিজি লিখেছো আর সেটাকে মানে ফুল ফর্মে লেখোনি, he may cut half marks. Okay, so as a student when you are writing in a paper, always write the full form and along with that write the short form. Okay, it's not mandatory that full form আর short form দুটোই লিখছো, যদি short form লিখে থাকো তাহলে কিন্তু full form লিখতেই হবে। Okay, in examination, this is what practice of writing good examination paper means, ভালো এক্সাম পেপার লেখার জন্য। ওকে,
ওই যে যখন ইংরেজিটা ঢুকলো তারপরে তোমরা যখন বাঙালি আর ইংরেজি বলবো, ওরা তো ওইদিকে ছাপানো ঠান্ডায় ছিল, সবাই গোটা গ্যাং ছাপানো ঠান্ডায় ছিল।
কোইনি প্যাকেটটা বাসে পুকা ঢুকা দে না,
এটাই লাস্ট প্যাকেট কোইনি।
hey, what is the unnecessary voice is coming?
Ma'am, below mic unmute.
Bilodor mic unmute. Bilodor, please mute your mic if you are busy in somewhere else. So understood, shoulder joint complex, the joints, different joints, yes or no students? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
এই এত দূর অবধি বোঝা গেছে শোল্ডার জয়েন্ট কমপ্লেক্স? যদিও বা তোমরা এটা অ্যানাটমিতে মানে পড়েছো তো এই জয়েন্টস গুলো স্টুডেন্টস?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ওকে, ফাইন।
Yes, ma'am.
Next, see bones of the shoulder. Bones of the shoulder, see the red bones, highlighted bones, clavicle, humerus and the scapular region. Yeah, yes or no? Humerus,
Yes, ma'am.
scapula and the clavicle region. Acha, this is just for general question. Which bone ossify first? Which
Sternum.
bone ossify first?
Sternum.
Sternum. Sternum.
Ma'am, clavicle.
Clavicle.
Yes, ma'am, clavicle. Sorry.
আচ্ছা,
Clavicle,
What
ma'am,
about
clavicle.
other- সবাই চুপ করে কেন? বাকিরা চুপ করে কেন?
ক্লেভিকল ম্যাম, আনসার ক্লেভিকল।
Which bone ossify first? কোন বোনটা ossify করে first in the
ক্লেভিকল
intrauterine
ম্যাম,
life?
ক্লেভিকল ক্লেভিকল
Clavicle, sure.
ক্লেভিকল বোন। ইয়েস ম্যাম,
Yes,
ক্লেভিকল
ma'am.
বোন।
Sure.
Okay. Okay, clavicle, yes. Shall we go to the next slide, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the scapula, clavicle and humerus that forms shoulder joint or complex are responsible for movement of the hand through space. We all know that our hand usually go in a movement, in a free space. Yeah, the scapula, clavicle and the humerus, which forms the shoulder joint complex, right? The joints that compose shoulder complex contributes as much as 180 degrees of elevation to the upper extremity. See in the picture. Yeah, understood students? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear now? Okay. Now let us discuss one by one each and every joint, right? Now if anyone asks you what is shoulder joint, what will you give answer? What answer you will give if anyone ask about you shoulder joint? Key answer debe.
Ma'am, shoulder joint is a complex joint that is formed by mainly three bones, that is scapula, humerus, clavicle, and along with that there is some joint that is glenohumeral joint, then
Acromioclavicular joint,
then scapulothoracic joint,
thoracic
and
joint,
yes ma'am, or a
and
clavicular joint.
Okay. So now we will going to discuss each and every joint and its movements. Okay. That is the biomechanics of shoulder joint complex. Understood, students? Yeah?
Yes ma'am.
Understood, na? Then we will be discussing about the stability, mobility, and after that we will be discussing about the pathomechanics also. Okay. Next, this is the scapulothoracic joint. You can easily see in the picture how the joint has been formed, because the joint has been formed by the scapular end with the thorax. Yeah, with the thorax. That is the scapulothoracic joint. As simple, you will see the structure, and then you can you can able to see the attachments, and then you can explain the joint itself. Okay, so this is the scapulothoracic joint. Anatomy of the shoulder. Please anyone read the lines.
Yes,
Abdul
ma'am.
Aziz. Abdul Aziz. Abdul, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read the lines. Scapulothoracic joint.
বলেন ম্যাম।
তুমি স্ক্রিনটা দেখতে পাচ্ছো? স্লাইডসটা দেখতে পাচ্ছো? Okay,
হ্যাঁ।
read the scapulothoracic joint.
Formed by articulation of the scapula with the thorax on which it sits. It is not a true anatomic joint because it has no usual joint characteristic. And
the articulation.
The articulation of scapula with the thorax depends upon the anatomic AC and SC joints.
What is AC? What is AC and SC joint? AC joint ki আর SC joint ki?
Ma'am, can I say?
I have not asked to you, Biladol. When I will ask you, you answer at that time. Yes, Abdul, what is AC?
AC joint, acromicroclavicular.
Acromicro? Huh? Acromicro joint? লেখা আছে দেখো, acromioclavicular joint. ডায়াগ্রামেই দেওয়া আছে দেখো। And what is SC?
SC? Scapulothoracic.
Scapulothoracic? কি বলছো? Scapulothoracic. Understood? বলো, read the lines. Continue. Abdul Aziz, continue the lines.
Any movement of the scapula on the thorax must result in the movement at either the AC joint, AC joint or both.
তাহলে AC জয়েন্টটা কি হলো? আরেকবার বলো, AC জয়েন্ট ইজ AC জয়েন্টটা কি? Abdul. What is the AC joint? Okay. Scapulothoracic position. The scapula rests on the posterior thorax 2 inches from the midline, between 2nd through 7th ribs. The scapula also lies 30 to 40 degree forward of the frontal plane and it's tipped anteriorly 1 to 20 degree from vertical. Yeah, that is the, the position of the scapulothoracic joint. Basically, the scapula is resting over the ribs. Yes or no? The thoracic area, right between your second to seventh ribs. Yeah, and it also lies 30 to 44 degrees forward of the frontal plane and is tipped anteriorly 10 to 20 degree from vertical. In some books, okay, please listen, in some books the degrees may get some plus or minus, okay, কেন কি এক একটা বই এক এক রকমের রেফারেন্স নেয়, সো কিছু প্লাস অর মাইনাস তোমার কিছু কিছু ডিগ্রিজে থাকতে পারে। দ্যাটস ওয়াই উই অলওয়েজ ইউজ টু রাইট দি রেঞ্জ 30 to 40. We never used to write only 40. No, কিছু কিছু বুকস 35 to 45 লিখতে পারে, কিছু বুকস maybe they will write 35 to 40. Okay, so means they are all right, but always try to mention the range when you are adding degree in it. Understood, students? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to all? Okay, so anatomy of the shoulder, you can see in the picture the acromioclavicular joint, the scapula, the scapulothoracic joint, the glenohumeral joint. Okay, next is the scapulothoracic motions. Scapulothoracic motions like the movements we will be talking about. Amra jodi we if you see as a whole the shoulder joint can go for elevation, yeah, depression also, abduction also, adduction also, upward rotation also, and downward rotation also. Yeah, see the scapula how it is moving, but all together if we say shoulder joint movement, all the movements will come under the shoulder joint movement. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
understood now what I'm trying to say? The if you only see the scapula, see scapula is going for elevation, so you can say it as a shoulder joint elevation motion. See the scapula is coming down, okay, downward arrow, see, abduction, adduction, upward rotation, see both the arrows are in different on opposite directions, and both the directions of the scapula is inward or downward. Yeah, this is the if you see students the shoulder joint complex as a whole, it will include all these 4 joint complex. All together will serve for the movement only, for elevation, abduction, adduction, upward and downward rotation, and the and elevation and depression. Understood, students? Clear? Is it
Yes,
clear? Is it clear to all? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
এতদূর সবাই মোটামুটি বুঝতে পেরেছো তো?
Yes, ma'am.
These are not means it is not means not too much different from anatomy. Basically we are discussing the anatomy but in a refined way. Yeah, students? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay, please
Yes, ma'am.
give your attendance. Please give your attendance. Chandrasekhar, Chandrasekhar,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Darshana,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Dev Kumar,
Yep.
okay. Eliash,
Yes, ma'am.
Munjila,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshu,
Yes, ma'am.
প্রিয়াংশু এত চুপ কেন?
ম্যাম আমার আজকে জয়েন
হ্যাঁ?
করতে লেট হয়েছে, আসলে আমার ভ্যাকসিনেশন ছিল, তো গেছিলাম একটু ওখানে, জয়েন করতে লেট হয়েছে।
ওকে, রবিউল ইসলাম।
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, শায়ান জানা। শায়ান জানা। শায়ন
Absent, ma'am.
অ্যাবসেন্ট।
Absent, ma'am.
সৌম্যদেব।
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, সুশোভন সাহা।
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, ওয়াহিদুর রহমান।
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, দুর্বাদল অধিকারী।
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, দেবার্গ মণ্ডল। দেবার্গ মণ্ডল।
Ma'am, absent. Absent, ma'am.
সৌজন্য সামন্ত।
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, অভয় সাহু।
Yes, ma'am.
জ্যোতির্ময় গোস্বামী। জ্যোতির্ময় গোস্বামী, আর ইউ দেয়ার?
Ma'am, वो network problem হচ্ছে ma'am. জ্যোতির্ময়।
Okay, Shubhodip Bhonia, he is not there. Okay, Soumya Banerjee, present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Reshmi Jahan. Reshmi Jahan.
Ma'am, present আছে।
Murali Samanto. Murali.
Absent, ma'am.
Okay, Shubhendu Chakraborty.
Present, ma'am.
Shreyoshi Poddar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Vaishnavi Gupta. Okay, Sidra Hassan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Suraya Parveen.
Present, miss.
Okay, Bilodol Ghosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pragya Pradhan. Pragya.
Ma'am, present আছে।
Safia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sudip Das.
Yes.
Okay, Mohima.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ziva.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Shiny. Shiny.
Ma'am,
Shubham.
Shani absent.
Okay, Shubham Chatterjee.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Pragati.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Priyanka.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Kausar.
Present, ma'am.
Rauf Sheikh.
Ma'am, রৌফে network problem হচ্ছে বললাম।
Okay, Arnab Basu.
Yes, ma'am.
Arnab বুঝতে পারছো?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Neha Mondol.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Shayan Modak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Most Ribrana Khatun.
Present, ma'am.
Arif Anwar. Arif Anwar.
Ma'am, present আছে আরিফ।
Okay, Abdul Aziz. Abdul was
Present,
there,
ma'am.
no? Okay, Molla is not there. Muhammad Kaif. Muhammad Kaif.
Absent, ma'am.
Okay, Ismail Sheikh. Ismail Sheikh.
Absent.
Okay, absent.
Absent, ma'am.
Acha, Shreyam Kalyam.
Yes, ma'am, absent.
Shreyam. Okay, বুঝতে পারছো Shreyam?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Raj Mahato.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Okay. So, shall we go to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, please anyone read the line? Anyone please read the
Yes, ma'am.
lines? Follow.
Elevation and depression of the scapula are translatory motions in which the scapula move upwards and downwards along the rib cage from resting position. Protection and retraction of the scapula are translatory motion of the scapula from or towards the vertebral column. Then upward and downward rotation occurs when movement of the inferior angle away from vertebral column, that is upward rotation, or movement of the inferior angle towards the vertebral column, that is downward rotation.
Okay, so basically you can see here it is given how the elevation and depression, protraction, retraction, that is abduction, adduction, and the downward and upward movement is usually occurs. So elevation and depression of the scapula are the translatory motion in which the scapula moves upwards and downwards along the rib cage from resting position. So not only the scapula is moving here, along with the rib cage also, the the scapula is going for elevation and depression. You just imagine now, is it possible only the scapula to go upward and downward, that is the elevation and depression? Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No. If when it is possible, if there is any fracture, if there is any যদি তোমার স্ক্যাপুলা আর thoracic area থেকে যদি আলাদা হয়ে বেরিয়ে আসে, then only it will possible, but there will be a tremendous pain. Okay, this was just means make you people understand, right? So not only the scapula is moving elevation and depression and all the movements, along with that the rib cage, right, the rib cage is also going for the motion from the resting position. Understood? So protraction, retraction, same translatory motion of the scapula from towards the vertebral column. Vertebral column means, what is vertebral column? What is vertebral column?
ম্যাম বলবো?
বলো।
ম্যাম ভার্টিব্রাল কলামটা হচ্ছে অনেক কটা বোনসের সমষ্টি, স্পাইন মানে অনেক কটা ভার্টিব্রাল সমষ্টি, যেটা এই কলাম আকারে মানে সজ্জিত হয়, অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্টটা কলামনার থাকে আর কি।
So vertebral column is the arrangement of the spine, yeah, the spinal vertebrae, if we say. Yes or no, Priyanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
So see, protraction, retraction of the scapula are the translatory motions of the scapula from or towards the vertebral column. Means abduction, adduction. See here, if you see here, the towards the vertebral column and away from the vertebral column, that is the abduction and adduction. Understood? Protraction, retraction. See, one line is there in the middle of two scapula. Adduction. Abduction is going away from the dotted line, that is the vertebral column. Understood, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? See here, dotted line, that is the vertebral column. Means we have to assume that. We have to assume that away from the midline towards the midline. Okay. So upward and downward rotation occurs when movement of the inferior angle away from vertebral column. Upward rotation or movement of the inferior angle towards the vertebral column, that is downward rotation. Okay, downward rotation, that is the upward and downward rotation movement. So what are the different motions in the scapulothoracic region? They are elevation, depression, abduction, adduction, upward rotation and downward rotation. Clear? Is it clear to all students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next is the scapula. Scapula also same thing. Okay, scapulothoracic joint elevation. See the pictures. Abduction. Yeah. See adduction and abduction, protraction, retraction. Depression. Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
এই অ্যাক্টিভিটি গুলো কেউ করে? তোমাদের মধ্যে কি এই অ্যাক্টিভিটিস গুলো কেউ করে?
ম্যাম আগে করতাম ম্যাম ওয়ার্কআউট, এখন আর করি না।
আরে এটা কি শুধু ওয়ার্কআউটের সময় হয় এই মুভমেন্ট গুলো, না ডেইলি লিভিং অ্যাক্টিভিটিস এর মধ্যে হয়?
ডেইলি হয়।
ডেইলি অ্যাক্টিভিটিস রুটিনে হয়।
ইয়েস অবভিয়াসলি। এবার হ্যাঁ,
ম্যাম
যারা ওয়ার্কআউট
এলিভেশন
বলো বলো বলো।
ম্যাম এলিভেশনটা আমরা সব সময় করি, যেরকম হোয়াট হ্যাপেন, কি হয়েছে, তখনই তো আমরা ঘাটটা এভাবে নাড়া এলিভেট করি স্ক্যাপুলাগুলোকে।
Exactly. Then so any movement, not any movement, in everyday activity we used to do these movements only. Okay. From today onwards, now you just think that how many times you are going for the shoulder elevation, shoulder depression, shoulder abduction, adduction, upward and downward rotation. You just see how many times. Almost every time in our everyday movement, everyday activities. But yes, in the workout period or in the gym session, these movements are done, repeatedly. In a, you can say, in a exclusively repeatedly it has been done. যারা ওয়ার্কআউট করে বা যারা জিম করে, বাট মোর অর লেস if we talk that the movements, okay, so these are been done, in our day to day life. So if there is any problem doing this kind of movements in day to day living activity, then we have to treat them. We have to treat the patient. We have to treat the condition. Understood? Clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to
Yes,
all?
ma'am.
Clear, na? Okay. Next is the sternoclavicular joint. Sternoclavicular joint, simple attachment or the joint formation between the sternum and the collarbone. Yeah, isn't it? See the picture. Sternoclavicular joint with the clavicle, means that is the sternum and the clavicle, sternoclavicular joint, isn't it, students? Anyone,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the lines for sternoclavicular joint.
May I?
Please.
Sternoclavicular joints. Sternoclavicular joint is a synovial joint that connects sternum with the clavicle. The joint means SC joint is formed from the articulation of the medial aspect of the clavicle and the manubrium of the sternum. The SC joint is the only true articulation connecting the upper limb to the axial skeleton. It is one of our joints that compose the shoulder complex. The sternoclavicular joint is generally classified as a plain style synovial joint and has a fibrocartilage joint disc with 3-degree freedom of motion, having a joint capsule, 3 major ligaments and a joint disc.
Okay, so sternoclavicular joint is basically, it is a synovial joint, obviously, because it's allow movements. Okay, and it connects the sternum with the clavicle. Sternum with the clavicle. Okay, so the sternoclavicular joint is formed from the articulation of the medial aspect of the clavicle and the mandibular of the sternum. Okay, this one. The sternoclavicular joint is the only true articulation connecting the upper limb to the axial skeleton. If you just imagine that it is the only only joint where the upper limb means both the shoulder joint, yeah, it has been connected to the axial skeleton. See this small joint. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, students?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
the-
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes or no? See here this
Yes, ma'am.
glenohumeral joint and acromioclavicular joint and the that scapulothoracic joint. These are the joints which is been connected with the scapula and the acromion process. But this clavicle and the sternum, this sternoclavicular joint is the only true joint. Okay, only true articulating connecting junction, you may say, which is connecting the upper limb to the axial skeleton. It is one of the 4 joints that compose the shoulder complex, which we have already seen in our previous slides. The sternoclavicular joint is generally classified as a plain style synovial joint and has a fibrocartilage joint disc with 3 degrees of motion. This is the plain disc is been there, joint disc, okay, having a capsule, 3 major ligaments and a joint disc. This is the sternoclavicular joint. Clear, students?
ম্যাম একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল ম্যাম।
বলো।
ম্যাম প্লেন সাইনোভিয়াল জয়েন্ট মানে প্লেন সাইনোভিয়াল জয়েন্ট
প্লেন সাইনোভিয়াল জয়েন্ট মানে কি? আচ্ছা, সাইনোভিয়াল জয়েন্ট মানে কি?
ম্যাম যেখানে যে যে জয়েন্টটা আমাদের ফ্রিলি মুভেবল করতে সাহায্য করে, যে জয়েন্টটা যেখানে সাইনোভিয়াল ফ্লুইডটা সাইনোভিয়াল মেমব্রেনের মধ্যে সাইনোভিয়াল ফ্লুইডটা থাকে, যেটা আমাদের মুভমেন্টটা ইজিয়ার করে, এটাকে আমরা সাইনোভিয়াল জয়েন্ট বলি।
That is the simple synovial joint, plain synovial joint. Only 2 bones are been connected. Okay. Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? এই জন্য বলেছিলাম যে একটু কি বলে সিনথিয়া নরকিনটা একটু পড়ে আসো, just for revision. Okay. So it also have the joint capsule, the ligaments, and along with that it has a joint disc. Okay, understood? Clear? Is it clear to all students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Articulating surfaces. But articulating surface, what do you mean by articulating surface?
ম্যাম যেখানে দুটো বোনসের মানে আর্টিকুলার হয়, মানে জয়েন্ট হয়, যে জায়গাটা মিডল পয়েন্ট যেখানে আর্টিকুলেশন হয়, দুটো বোনের ফর্মেশন জয়েন্ট হয়।
And they're gliding and rolling can. Okay.
They are easily rotatable.
Basically,
Easily rotatable.
Joint of articulation means joint of 2 bones.
Yeah, that is the connecting area, articulating area. Yeah. Understood? So articulating surfaces are the manubrium. The manubrium is joined with the sternum. The clavicle, the articulation between the first rib costal cartilage. Okay, see, this is the structure, manubrium and the body. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone please read sternoclavicular disc? Anyone please read the lines?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Sternoclavicular disc. Sternoclavicular joint is incongruent, so an accessory joint structure is situated between the articulating surfaces It is a fibrocartilage which is known as joint disc or meniscus. The disc has upper portion, lower portion. The upper portion is attached to the superior clavicle and the lower portion to the manubrium and the first costal cartilage. The disc divides the joint into two separate cavities.
Okay, so are you able to see the disc over here, articular disc? Yeah. So this is the clavicle, this is the manubrium, okay, and this is the articulating disc, and this one is the first rib. So sternoclavicular disc, it is a joint is incongruent. So an accessory joint structure is situated between the articulating surfaces. It is a fibrocartilage known as the joint disc or meniscus. Okay, see this one. Though means this means what to say. This is the clavicle and the mandible. It is not directly connected, but yes, it is connected through a articulating disc, which is also very important. Okay, which is also very important. It is connected with the it is a fibrocartilage known as a joint disc or meniscus. Okay, this disc only it divides into an upper portion and a lower portion. See, the disc has upper portion, lower portion. Upper portion is attached to the superior clavicle and lower portion to the mandibular. See this one, manubrium. See this one. This articular disc is dividing in the upper portion and the lower portion. Upper portion is attached with the superior clavicule and the lower portion is been attached with the manubrium and the first costal cartilage. The disc divides the joint into two separate cavities. This is the sternoclavicular disc. Clear? Is it clear to all? Yeah?
Yes,
See
ma'am.
the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See the diagram. So the as Bilodol was asking about the plain synovial joint. So basically this allows for normal physiological movements, that is the gliding movements, right? So though we will be discussing different movement types in our upcoming classes. Okay, understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the next class we will continue with the joint capsule, right? Up to this much, is there any confusion? Then you may ask.
No, ma'am.
কোনো confusion আছে? Is there any confusion? Then you may ask.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No ma'am, no ma'am.